your eyes open. You can't sneeze with your... No!
Hey, Dillan.
Whoa, Dillan.
Remember me?
Scared the crap out of me. Where have you been the last 6 months?
Don't act like you don't remember. I was a fool sneezing with my eyes open, but I learned. My eyes were actually closed this whole time, metaphorically speaking. I don't understand. Let me tell you a story. Many decades ago, when magic ruled the world, a great die wizard made a bet with another wizard he could sneeze with his eyes open. He lost that bet. Then he got angry. So angry he decided to cast a mighty spell. The Sneezius Atomicus. Till this day, this spell makes everyone that successfully sneezes with his eyes open disappear and reappear in an unknown place. This is what happened to me. But there is another way to cast this spell. Every man cursed with the original spell will find himself in Thailand, where he will have to complete a mission to get back home. I found the secrets of this very same curse. Only problem I had is I have no fucking idea how to correctly pronounce it. But I solved that problem on my way here. Say hello to my little friend. Welcome to Thailand, Dillan.
What? That son of a bitch spelled me! And who the hell are you?
I'm just a messenger. I'm here to help you with your mission.
Which is?
Well, you will have to figure it out for yourself. Gotcha. We don't do this figure it out stuff here. You just have to sneeze with your eyes open and bam, you'll be home.
What? But I can't sneeze with my eyes open.
Well, tough luck. That's your mission. Good luck.
Wait, how could I ever sneeze with my eyes open? Shit!
Okay, sweetie, let's make it clear. You got one question, not a wish, a question. Am I clear, girl?
What? You're a genie, right? You're supposed to grant wishes.
Nope, sorry. Today I'm only answering questions. Too bad.
Isn't that what the internet exists for?
Is this your question?
Sorry. You're right. How can I sneeze with my eyes open?
How the fuck should I know? And why the fuck would you want to do that?
Because I want to get back home.
Well, sweetie, I don't know. Thailand is a beautiful place. Have you thought about staying here? Just don't cry, you big, sexy baby. I do know this. In ancient Greek, people believed that gods communicate with humans through sneezing. Maybe you should try praying.
Not even if my life depends on it.
Dear God, I know we don't talk much, but please help me with this one. Help me sneeze with my eyes open. Thank you.
Mystery. I used to hate it, but that was many years ago. I have seen the face of Tyler. I became one. Sick, healthy, good times and bad. I learned to enjoy not only the fruit, but also the way I picked it, metaphorically speaking. Now, after all this time, I understand that this is exactly